Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful with you guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace oil pressure switch, also known as oil pressure sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located and one simple mistake that people make that can actually guys cost you your engine and you need to end up replacing components, modules, computers. So stay with us and we will explain what it is. So let me introduce you to the channel quick guys. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So this right here guys, this is the 2.4 GDI engine that we'll be demonstrating on. Now before we start guys, many of you recently have been asking us in the comment section below to share information about good diagnostic tool. That's the one that we use daily. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. You can check it out. It works on almost every car you can think of. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. So check out the link for current price and features. Now in order to get to that oil pressure switch, let's explain now. You need to remove the intake manifold. If you don't know how to do that, we have a special video that explains how to remove intake manifold on our channel on Hyundai Tucson. Check it out. Number two, when removing the intake manifold, you have to make sure you disconnect the car battery before you start working on the car, like before you start doing anything else. Why? Because you have two positive wires from the battery to the starter and the alternator, and if you touch those with a tool or something, you can cause damage to the electrical system, you can burn fuses, electrical components, catch your car on fire. Number two, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. You do it the wrong way guys, and you can cause damage to the modules in the computer again. So if you don't know which battery terminal to disconnect first, check out the link in the description of the video below and it's going to teach you that. So once you remove the intake manifold, okay, right here guys, that device right there, it's known as an oil pressure sensor or oil pressure switch. Practically that's a switch. It has only one wire that detects if you have enough pressure, it will turn the engine oil light on. If you don't have, it will illuminate. So you need to press right here, okay, and disconnect the cable. You can see that's what it looks like. It's a one wire cable. That means you have a switch. So 24mm socket and we're going to get it loose. It's normal to leak some oil out when you remove it. Why? Because it's part of the oil system and it will be filled with engine oil. So right there, we are unscrewing it now and you can see this is it guys. This is the oil pressure switch sensor out of Hyundai Tucson. That's how you guys remove it. If you want to see how to test them, we will have a video coming very soon how to do that as well. Check out on our channel. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.